Hey everyone, Ariel here from personalitydevelopmentgroup.org. Today I'd like to share something with you that could be very powerful for your business or for your career. Did you know that 85% of your financial success comes down to your ability to communicate in a room full of people and not your actual technical skill? You know, a lot of people didn't know that, but 85% of jobs that pay over $100,000 per year require some sort of public speaking. You know, the greatest investor, who do you think the greatest investor of our time is currently? Warren Buffett, right? If you said Warren Buffett, give yourself a pat on the back. Warren Buffett, he stated, just Google this, Google Warren Buffett on public speaking. You'll see a little video right there. He stated that the best investment he's ever made was investing in enhancing his ability to communicate to a room full of people. Now, this is coming from the world's greatest investor. But see, most people, they're very frustrated when it comes to public speaking. Most people don't like to do it. But what I'd like to do right now is I'd like to share with you just one simple technique that if you implement it, it could totally eliminate a lot of that frustration and get you in the right direction so that you could become a world-class presenter and speak your way to your promotion. So I'd like to talk to you just briefly about transitions, transition statements. I am a business communication coach, and people ask me, you know, how can I become more articulate? Can you just show me how to do that? So one of the ways that we're more articulate is we're able to transition smoothly from one topic to the next. And for us to highlight this, I would like for us to take a look at how comedians do it. So you look at somebody, let's say somebody, I don't know, like Chris Rock. And this is going to be a bad Chris Rock impersonation, so I'm going to tell you up front. But Chris Rock, he'll go on and he'll talk about certain things, right? And then he'll all of a sudden say, you know, you women trip me up. Women, you... And that's his transition statement. Just him saying, you women trip me up. And then he'll start talking about something about women. So maybe just previously he was talking about, you know, how the mailman, you know, made him mad or whatever. So, but just that little transition statement, you know, you women trip me up. And he'll be off into his next topic. So if we can model that, because a comedian is so good at making these transitions, and start implementing that into our speeches, can you already see how that's going to make you seem a lot more articulate? I hope you can. Let me give you a couple more examples. So we have examples could be something like, you know, the other day I noticed I was at Barnes & Noble enjoying my coffee, and all of a sudden, it dawned on me, so all of these are all transition statement examples. Have you ever stopped to ask yourself? It's another example. You know, this reminds me. That's another example. So you got a couple different examples here, but the whole point is that you just interject just one sentence that's going to give you, that's a stepping stone to your next topic. I hope you like this video and pay very close attention, because I'm going to shoot another video that's going to help you improve your public speaking. Feel free to leave any questions or comments in the comment box below, and share this video with your friends. Like the video and share it with your friends, and also you'll see down at the bottom, you'll see a little Facebook icon. Just go ahead and click on that icon and it'll take you directly to our Facebook fan page, where you'll find tons of valuable information on becoming a better public speaker, a better presenter. You're going to see articles, videos, all designed to help you become the ultimate public speaker. Thank you, God bless, and we'll see you in the next video.